new from Virtualaze Unify VDI, a Windows virtual desktop infrastructure solution. In most organizations, Windows and applications tend to be installed individually on every single computer and device. Virtualaze Unify VDI saves your organization effort, time, support. Install, run and deploy your Unify VDI images affordable, seamless and fast on Windows 7 desktop, Windows 8 desktop and Windows 10 desktop. Run your Unify VDI virtual operating system images under any hypervisor over a LAN, cloud and in any data center. Scale up easily from one user to thousands of users. Unify VDI, ready to run on multiple hypervisors and VDI images, central managed, clustered and secure. Embed your virtual apps, Virtualaze Unify, into your new Unify VDI environment to increase scalability and redundancy. Virtualaze Unify VDI and Unify VDI Plus are supporting a wide range of client devices. You just need a browser to run and display your personal virtual Windows operating systems. One named user license covers two technology approaches, such as desktop and application virtualization. Just decide on your real demand. Easy management and deployment of user profiles, group profiles, virtual apps, Unify App Server, clustered Unify VDI servers. These are the benefits of Unify VDI for your IT infrastructure. Finally, bring all your Windows applications into the cloud and have access from all your devices supporting HTML5 browsers or XP and higher, and have access from anywhere worldwide. Virtualaze Unify VDI, the most powerful and affordable virtual desktop and virtual application solution. Visit us at www.virtualaze.com.